So I start out on a C chord, and I do a little, so I'm doing like I'm playing a C chord, but then I go up to the 3rd fret on the high E string. Then I go bar the 1st fret and play, that's also high E string. Play the 1st fret and then back open. And it's like this little, while I'm playing on the C. Then I go to F. And I'm kind of just playing the top 3 strings. And then the second half, I go to full chords to kind of like pick it up a bit. Same thing. And I go through the second half of the verse. And then on the chorus, I go to D minor. You can cut and run F, D minor, F, C. Do that little lick again. D minor, F, D minor, F, and then love. Back to the C. And a little light. Hey, Maverick. Verse 2. Then second chorus, same thing. Then we go to the bridge. The bridge is C, or G, F, D minor, C. And it's just big chords. My heart won't end up on the floor in the hall of truth. And my heart won't end up on the floor in the hall of truth. Now I'm back on the C, which happens to be the same chord for the beginning of the 3rd verse that I play quietly. Back to the F again. So the other thing about what I'm doing is I do a little mute. So like between the strums, I'm palm muting the strings, so and it's on the downstroke, I guess. And that goes along with the drum beat. So when I build the loop, I start out with, this is the rhythm, all right? That's the rhythm I was just playing. Hey, yeah. Oops. Delete. So now that's my rhythm, right? So now I can do the kick drum, kick pattern. Something like that. Now I gotta get the snare going. For the breakdown, we gotta get the shaker in here. Guys, make sure to give our friend Maverick a follow. Thanks for stopping by, Maverick. I'm gonna hit a little tambourine on this because I'm kind of liking how it sounds. Oh, you're coming? You're staying? But not too much. Okay. Here we go. This is the song. as easy as you went away. I know you wanted to let me in,